George Foreman Grilled and grilled some chicken. That turns out pretty good, y'all.
Got it nice and
Put
clean
your
up
George
here.
Foreman grill. Just grill you some chicken.
Watch yourself, Donna.
It's so yummy, y'all. Use your George Foreman grill and grill you up some chicken. And then on the plate, you put a little bit of that sauteed onion and orange peppers on there. I'm telling you, good eating with some mashed sweet potatoes with honey and cinnamon and just a tad bit of butter. I'm telling you, it's good eating, y'all. And you have yourself some broccoli. That's good eating, y'all.